Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Commercial Services. Right behind me is the Detroit Masonic Temple, which is the largest Masonic temple in the entire country. We've been selected to do a ton of masonry repair on this structure. We're starting over here on the backside of the chimney that was about to fall over. Behind me, what you see is our skilled masons. They're true craftsmen that live and breathe this type of work. 185-foot super boom standing behind me, where they're able to get up and fully access around the entire chimney. Earlier in the project, we had the building rigged for swing stage as well. And the guys up there are taking out brick, they're replacing it, we're pushing walls back, we're making sure that the building is structurally sound for another 100 years. This is part of a larger multi-year project that we're entered into with the Masonic Temple. They chose us strictly on our reputation and our ability to mobilize fast and get the project done right and on budget. If this is something that you need on your structure, your building, we did limestone patching, we did limestone repair, masonry tuck pointing, brick repair, water stopping, waterproofing, caulking, to just name a few of those. Give us a call, click the link below, because we can work on your building too.
Nobody does it better than Brickworks.